kids! Are you ready to stay clean, healthy, and happy? Let's learn hygiene with fun songs! Yay! Yay! Brush your teeth, morning, night, keep them neat. Wash your hands, clean and shiny like magic wands. Splash in the bath, bubbles make a funny path. Clean your room, let it sparkle, zoom. Time to wash hands the right way. Sweat your hands, make them shine, soap it up, 1 to 9. Rub your fingers tight, clean your nails left and right. Now rinse away, germs go splashing every day. Dry your hands, soft and neat, clean hands make life so sweet. Brush down, move your brush around and around. Left side clean, right side too. Bright white teeth shining on you. Spit the foam, rinse the cup. Healthy smiles are coming up. Brush every morning, every night. Make your teeth sparkle bright. Splash, scrub a dub. Wash your hair and clean your tub. Rub your ears and your toes. Wash your arms and your nose. Bubble bath is so much fun. Clean and fresh when day is done. Bath time makes you feel so light. Soft and shiny, squeaky bright. Pick up toys